A newly leaked image appears to showcase the rumored DJI Osmo Action 6 mounted on a motorbike handlebar. The action camera is slightly blurred in the background, while the focus is on a small control unit attached near the throttle grip, displaying a screen with video 4K/25 frames per second. The setup hints at a refined remote control system for quick recording access while riding. The overall lighting suggests it was shot outdoors, possibly during golden hour, giving the equipment a professional and rugged appearance, ideal for adventure filming. This leak strongly implies DJI's next-gen action cam is nearing launch. Leaked promotional footage has revealed the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6, showcasing what appears to be a major leap forward for the Osmo series. The star of the show is its rumored 1.1-inch CMOS sensor, with a variable f2.0 to f4.0 aperture, promising sharper, more dynamic shots in any lighting condition. After months of speculation, the Osmo Action 6 finally surfaces following DJI's recent releases, the Osmo 360 and the compact Osmo Nano. Now, all eyes are on this next-gen action cam, expected to bring professional-grade imaging to a pocket-sized powerhouse. Leaker Igor Bogdanov has shared what seems to be DJI's first official promotional image, hinting that the Action 6 can record 4K video at 30 FPS for up to 2 hours on a 1950 mAh battery. The new teaser also suggests that DJI is preparing a global launch soon, alongside other exciting products like the DJI Neo 2 and Osmo Mobile 8. With a rumored price of around $329, the Osmo Action 6 could redefine what compact adventure cameras are capable of, blending endurance, clarity, and cutting-edge design in one sleek package. Bright, sun-drenched scenes like beaches or snowy slopes, narrowing to f4.0 keeps your footage smooth and cinematic, without the hassle of ND filters. When the light fades, at sunset or in dim environments, opening to f2.0 brightens your shot and reduces noise, delivering crisp, clean visuals. It's the kind of flexibility that filmmakers and advanced users have been waiting for in a compact form. Design-wise, DJI has made thoughtful refinements. The familiar pill-shaped element beneath the front screen is gone, replaced by a minimalist white square beside the Action logo. This subtle change isn't just cosmetic. The color temperature sensor, once hidden in the O of the Action logo, likely lives there now. The result is a sleeker, more cohesive front design. A tiny new dot next to the logo hints at a possible new component, perhaps an ambient light sensor for automatic screen brightness, or a discrete microphone hole. If it's the former, this would be DJI's first move to separate display brightness control from the main camera sensor. Overall, DJI's philosophy shines through. Evolution, not revolution. Every tweak feels deliberate, every detail refined. With its adjustable aperture, elegant design, and smarter sensors, the Osmo Action 6 signals DJI's intent to elevate the action camera game once again. Before we dive in, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because DJI just shook the entire action cam market with a surprise price twist and a release window that's now nearly confirmed. Yes, the DJI Action 6 is officially happening. Multiple trusted sources have confirmed the leaks, and we already have real product images plus the core specs in hand. DJI isn't playing safe this year. They're going bold with a near 1-inch camera sensor, delivering a huge upgrade in low light performance and dynamic range. Paired with a variable aperture, this thing is stepping into cinema territory, letting creators nail exposure and achieve deeper, more dramatic background blur. Battery life? DJI is rewriting the rules with a massive 4-hour runtime, a huge leap beyond anything GoPro or Insta360 currently offers. This is DJI's moment to dominate the flagship action space, and so far, they're winning. Now, here's the release twist. Earlier rumors pointed to October 24th to 28th for the launch event, but fresh info from a major accessories brand confirms the embargo lifts before November 10th, 2025, meaning the announcement is guaranteed before that date, with pre-orders going live instantly and units arriving on shelves mid-November 2025. Pricing is shockingly competitive. $329 base bundle, $429 extras bundle, and $479 to $579 adventure bundle. High-end features at a lower than expected price? Vloggers, travelers, and pro users just got a new favorite camera. Now, compare the DJI Action 6 to Action 5 Pro. Oh yeah, folks. Because today we're diving into a showdown that's got every action camera fan on the edge of their seats. DJI Action 6 versus DJI Action 5 Pro. Can you believe it? Two powerhouse cameras, both promising mind-blowing performance. But only one can truly take the crown. Which one will come out on top? Stick with me till the very end to find out, because the answer might just surprise you. Let's dive into the heart of any camera, the sensor. The DJI Action 5 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 40 megapixel stills with a 13.5 stop dynamic range. Oh yeah, that means vibrant colors and impressive low-light performance. Adventurers love it for reliving moments in stunning detail. But hold on, the DJI Action 6 is rumored to sport a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap. This could dramatically enhance low-light capabilities and even enable 8K video recording. Imagine filming your skydiving jump or mountain biking adventure in ultra-high resolution. Exciting, right? If true, the Action 6 might make the Action 5 Pro feel outdated. Honestly, if the Action 6 delivers on this promise, it might just leave the Action 5 Pro looking like yesterday's news. When it comes to action cameras, performance and stabilization can make or break the experience. The DJI Action 5 Pro shines here with 4K video at 120 frames per second, paired with DJI's RockSteady stabilization system. Whether you're skiing down a slope or doing a backflip off a cliff, your footage stays buttery smooth. No dizzying jitters, no messy shakes. The Action 6, however, is rumored to step things up with advanced RockSteady 4.0, integrating AI-powered horizon steady that offers full 360-degree horizon leveling. Oh yes, that means every shot stays perfectly level, no matter how chaotic your movement. Imagine filming a high-octane chase scene and never worrying about the horizon tilting. Exciting, right? If this rumor turns out true, stabilization just reached a whole new level. Battery life is crucial for long adventures. The DJI Action 5 Pro offers 1,950 mAh for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, while the Action 6 is rumored to deliver longer, higher-resolution recording for uninterrupted action and fun. Durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro is rugged, waterproof 20 meters, survives -20 degrees Celsius. Action 6 promises the same durability for extreme adventures.
Excitement is building among tech enthusiasts and content creators as fresh prototype photos of the upcoming DJI Pocket 4 have surfaced online, offering the first real glimpse at DJI's next-generation Pocket gimbal camera. The leaked image, reportedly captured during a promotional video shoot in Barcelona, has quickly spread across social platforms, fueling speculation about what the company has in store. Interestingly, DJI has remained completely silent. There's been no official teaser or announcement, adding even more intrigue to the buzz surrounding the leak. For years, the DJI Pocket series has been the go-to choice for vloggers, travelers, and videographers who crave cinematic stabilization in a compact form. The Pocket 3 earned global praise for its smooth 4K recording and portability, becoming especially popular in Japan's thriving creator community. The leaked image provides a remarkably detailed look at the Pocket 4 prototype. Subtle design refinements, including a slightly altered button layout, suggest DJI is focused on both usability and comfort. The button layout under the display has changed slightly in the new model. On the Pocket 3, this area only displayed the Osmo logo, which had no functional purpose. However, in the Pocket 4, DJI has replaced the logo with 2 additional physical buttons. These buttons are believed to be linked to the rumored dual camera setup, potentially allowing users to switch between main and secondary cameras, toggle focal lengths, or activate a split screen or dual view mode. Positioned for convenient thumb access, the new buttons reflect DJI's focus on giving creators faster, more intuitive control during filming, reducing reliance on touchscreen menus. Further digging reveals no official DJI link to the studio, hinting that it may belong to a freelance photographer or small production crew, a strategy DJI has used before for early promotional material. Meanwhile, locals in Barcelona have reported sightings of a possible DJI promo shoot, aligning with the leak's backdrop. If true, DJI is likely testing the Pocket 4's stabilization and performance in dynamic outdoor conditions, a fitting preview for a camera designed to capture life on the move.
The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 stands out with its refined design and impressive portability. Weighing approximately 116 grams without accessories, it's noticeably lighter than the Pocket 3, which came in at 179 grams. The new model measures 145 by 38.3 by 30 millimeters, making it taller, slimmer, and thinner overall. A clear step toward a more compact and travel-friendly profile. Its sleeker construction and ergonomic refinement make it especially appealing for vloggers and creators who value comfort and ease of use during long shoots or on-the-go filming sessions. The document also contains strict battery and safety guidelines, suggesting DJI is entering final testing phases before certification. From warnings about overheating and disassembly to firmware update notes, it reads like a manual ready for production. That alone signals how close the product might be to launch, potentially late 2025 or early 2026. But what's fascinating is what the document doesn't say. There's no mention of the camera specs, the true heart of the Pocket line. That silence is deafening. No word about a dual camera system, no 50-megapixel sensor, no 4K 240 frames per second capability, and no mention of the rumored ActiveTrack 7.0. These were all previously linked to an August 2025 prototype leak featuring asymmetrical lenses. So, has DJI gone minimalist, or are they hiding something bigger behind the NDA curtain? Pocket 4 versus Pocket 3, the physical evolution. When comparing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to the leaked Pocket 4, the first thing that jumps out is the drastic reduction in weight. The Pocket 4 drops nearly 35%, down from 179 grams to 116 grams, a huge leap for handheld creators who film for long stretches. Its dimensions are refined too, standing slightly taller at 145 millimeters, but slimmer and narrower overall, giving it a more balanced, ergonomic feel.